Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix content creation with BuzzSumo. Easy tutorial step. To fix your content creation process with BuzzSumo, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the BuzzSumo website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, sign up for a free trial. Once logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Enter a keyword or topic relevant to your content niche. Click on the search icon to generate results. Review the list of content that appears based on your keyword. Look at the engagement metrics provided, such as shares and likes. Identify the top performing content to understand what resonates with your audience. Take note of the formats that perform well, like infographics, blog posts, or videos. Next, explore the content analysis feature for deeper insights. Enter your own domain to analyze how your content stacks up against competitors. Examine the topics that drive the most engagement for your brand. Use this data to identify gaps in your own content strategy. Look at the influencers section to find key figures in your niche. Follow and engage with these influencers to amplify your content reach. Create a content calendar based on your findings and target audience needs. What gaps in coverage did you identify that you can fill with new content? Start brainstorming unique angles or insights to tackle these topics. Utilize BuzzSumo's alerts feature to monitor new content related to your interest. Set up alerts for your keywords to stay updated on trends. As new content emerges, adjust your strategy accordingly. Ensure to continually measure the performance of your content. Use BuzzSumo to track shares and engagement metrics over time. Refine your strategy based on what works best. Incorporate feedback and analytics into your future content planning. With consistent effort, you'll see improvements in your content creation results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.